We here at Cranbourne East Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to the elders past, present and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing with pride and stand up straight.
When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly. Well, my first message is to congratulate and thank all of our students in Year 4, Year 5 and Year 6 for their participation in the annual Attitudes to School survey. This information is really important to the school as it tells us how our students are feeling about coming to school every day, but it also gives us information on how our students feel about all aspects of daily school life. And that information helps us plan and make the school the best it can be for our students. My next message is to say a big thank you once again to staff and students across the school. As yesterday we rehearsed our lockdown procedure, and it was wonderful to see that we were able to not only lock down but also account for all our students and staff in a most timely manner. So thank you everybody, keep up the great work. Next Wednesday, we have our Year 6 students heading off on the Lightning Premiership. Students will be travelling around to various schools in Cranbourne, competing in a variety of sports such as AFL and netball with other students from other schools. Really big thank you to all our staff for the work that you've put in, and I really look forward to hearing about it when all our students return to school. Next week, we also have our foundation students, our students in Year Prep, heading off to an excursion at the Royal Botanical Gardens in Cranbourne. Absolutely wonderful place, and I would highly encourage all families to visit the Botanical Gardens at some stage. Next week also we have two students in Year 6, that is Miran and Alicia, who will be participating in the Southern Metropolitan Regional Cross Country. We wish both students every success, and to achieve this level of competition is absolutely outstanding. As I always say, I'm always very proud of our students, and this is a fine example. Our SWPBS goal, our value for next week, is responsibility, and that is about we arrive at school on time with the required equipment. And I look forward to seeing everybody back at school next Tuesday on time to commence your learning. Why do I say Tuesday? Because Monday is the Queen's birthday long weekend. It is a public holiday and the school will be closed on that day. Remember, students, to read every single day, even over the long weekend. Take care, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
You may have noticed the amazing fruit and vegetables in your learning space. Without Food Bank Victoria, we would not have had this supplied to us. This wonderful organisation called Food Bank Victoria has also helped us have our own Helping Hands food pantry. During During these times, it can be a little tough on families, so the Helping Hands Food Pantry is an opportunity for families and guardians to come and get any items that will give them a helping hand. The Helping Hands Food Pantry is located in the school foyer and is open during school hours. Food Bank Victoria is run by many volunteers, and we believe that these people are superheroes in our eyes. As a big thank you to Food Banks Victoria, Cranberries Primary School will be holding a fundraising day on the last day of term on Friday the 24th of June, where you can dress up as a superhero. So come to school dressed up as any superhero you like, and bring a donation to show support to this amazing organisation. And don't forget to keep grabbing a bite to eat of the yummy food in your learning space.